Every garden needs maintenance, and in order to get the job done, we really need the right tools. First on my list are boxwood secateurs to bring shape to your garden hedges. Look for secateurs with long, non-stick coated blades, really important, and this will ensure easy and precise cutting. Some of these secateurs even have an integrated branch cutter for those older and thicker branches or hedges. Trimming hedges can be time consuming, so a lightweight design with gel pads will ensure that it's comfortable and you can make the job done much easier without feeling really exhausted. If you're looking for a tool that won't have you breaking out in a sweat, then a cordless handheld shear is the answer. Not only are they great for boxwood and shrub trimming, but when you attach the grass shear blade, you can trim the lawn edges where other trimmers fail to get to. No need to get on all fours, you simply attach the telescopic handle and you can trim those edges standing up. The chargeable lithium-ion battery can also last up to 45 minutes. That's 800 meters of lawn edging. A versatile option for keeping lawn edges trimmed is a rotatable grass shear, and it does exactly as the name says. The blades can rotate through 360 degrees to make sure the utmost comfort for both left-handed and right-handed gardeners. Swings right around and you're able to get into all those corners.